Hello, today we'll be making paper airplanes like this one here. So all you'll need is an A4 piece of paper. So to get started, all you do is fold a piece of paper down in half like this. Make sure all of your folds are firm. So then once you've done that, you fold a triangle up like this, and you do the same on the other side, and make sure that it's just touching the top. And then once you've done that, you fold the little bit up. Make sure it doesn't touch the top, and then you do it like this. Then you do it once more, then this time you need it to touch the top like this. And that will make it more pointy. It might be a little bit stiff, like it is for me, but it should be fine. So then you do the same on the other side, and then on the other side still will need to be touching the top too. And then once you've done that, this is a paper airplane that I know it's a little bit different, but I've made one like this and it flies amazingly. And if you like to, you can make the front a bit more pointier like this. And if you like our videos, then just press the subscribe button and press the like. Bye!